Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. So okay, the first thing, to take off the key by insertion, just like this. Now you're gonna have to open this. I'm gonna use this nail clipper just to help myself opening this key, just like this. There we go. Now we're gonna remove this cap, and here is the battery, and this is the new one right here, CR2032. I'm gonna get the new one right here. Here we go. Now we put back the cap, doing a little bit of pressure, like right in the center, in the middle. You can make sure blinking left right here is working. And now we put back this together, the two pieces, and insert again the key, and that's it. This is how you replace the Mazda wireless key battery. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.